Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to be more confident around girls. While we might not all reach a consensus on the way to a woman's heart, one thing is certain. Confidence is the all-important trait needed to get any girl you desire. There's just something alluring about confidence that women can't just help, but to be attracted to. And guess what? Not only have we got the secrets of how to be more confident around women, but we'll also be sharing them with you. Number 1. Looking great. Even when you are an insecure man, looking great goes ahead to fight the confidence battle without you making so much of an effort. At first glance, women will just want to be associated with you, even when you are yet to utter a word. So, to be more confident around girls, it's imperative you put in some work on your personal grooming and hygiene. Because not only does it make you feel good about yourself, the confidence you feel from looking dapper also surfaces in your interactions with women. So, dress to impress. Get a good haircut that matches your face, and be clean. You should also invest in good colognes, as they act as pheromones that attract women and make them more receptive to you. To crown it all, women love unique men. And what better way is there to communicate uniqueness if not by looking great and standing out in a room full of men? Now, tip 2. See women as human. Think of the hottest female celebrities in the world, from Scarlett Johansson to Beyonce. There's a long list of women that piss and take a crap from time to time. Oh yes, they do. So, stop putting women on pedestals. They are not mystical creatures that you should be intimidated of. Women are every bit a lot like men, except for the obvious anatomical differences that have us crazed over them. They make mistakes, feel lonely, get nervous, and also feel inadequate. You need to realize that women are not as bulletproof as they look. They're probably the most insecure of both sexes. So even though they make you rage with hormones or are good at looking confident, you need to start seeing them as individuals that are just as flawed as you. When you have this perception about women, it becomes a lot easier to be comfortable around them. Like a lot. More importantly, relating with a woman on that level gets her attracted to you and singles you out from the horde of guys that are either intimidated by her or are ass kissers. And thirdly, you need to hone your communication skills. If there's one thing a confident man is great at, it's most definitely communicating his thoughts and emotions. And this starts with having meaningful conversations, making proper eye contact to build a connection, and having good body language. You also need to learn to flirt effectively by capitalizing on your verbal and nonverbal communication skills. Equally important is the need to know how to read her body language, as women generally say a lot through this medium. This gives you hints of knowing what she wants at every point in time. It might just be a hug, more closure, or she might just want you to head back to your place and turn up the heat. And on number 4 is the need to work on your self-image. Make no mistake, guys, how you see yourself is how you'll be seen by others. And this is why what you think of yourself really matters. If you don't feel like you deserve hot girls, you're never going to be confident around them. Your shy, socially inept, and unconfident aura is what will consistently show up in your interactions with women. This is why you have to build up your self-esteem by believing in your self-worth and your ability to attract quality women. It might be hard at first, but after a while, you begin to actively meet and communicate with women you never thought you could speak to. And lastly, coming on number 5 is stop thinking and start doing. You need to stop overanalyzing what people are saying about you or what they think of you. 90% of the time, the negative thoughts are just in your head. And it's this negative perceived perception that makes you talk yourself out of meeting beautiful women or doing new things. The mental adhesive beneath your feet was created by your mind to prevent you from approaching the girl of your dreams. So stop making your negative perceived perception your reality. Put yourself out there, approach women, get rejected by some, and score with many. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.